Dive into the world where code creates solutions. Ever pondered how Python can unlock your coding potential? Let's get started by setting the stage. Imagine a realm where simplicity and power converge, a place where beginners and seasoned pros alike can thrive. This is the Python universe, a popular coding language in the 2024 landscape. Python's allure lies in its simplicity. It's akin to writing English, making it a favorite starting point for many coding novices. But don't let that fool you. Python is versatile, powering everything from web applications to data analysis, artificial intelligence to scientific computing. It's a wide-reaching tool in our digital toolbox, a Swiss Army knife in the world of coding. So whether you're looking to automate tasks, analyze data, or develop the next groundbreaking app, Python is a worthy companion on your coding journey. So ready to step into the Python universe. Begin your journey with Python's syntax and variables. In the realm of Python, syntax is the set of rules that dictate how programs written in the language should be structured. Python's syntax is famously clean and easy to understand. It's like the grammar of a language, and just like how proper grammar makes sentences clear and understandable, good syntax makes your code easier to read and debug. In Python, indentation isn't just for looks, it's a crucial part of the syntax. This might feel a bit unusual if you're coming from another language, but it promotes readability and consistency in your code. Now let's talk about variables. Think of variables as containers or boxes where you can store information. In Python, you don't need to specify the type of variable when you declare it, unlike many other programming languages. This feature, known as dynamic typing, allows for more flexibility. You can store an integer, a string, a list, or even a function in a variable. Here's a simple example. Let's say we have a variable named greeting, and we assign it the value hello world. Now, every time we use greeting in our code, Python will understand that we're referring to hello world. It's straightforward, isn't it? Variables are fundamental building blocks in Python programming. They help us keep track of data in our programs, and they give us the ability to manipulate that data. Whether you're making a simple calculator or a complex machine learning algorithm, variables are at the heart of it all. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Naming your variables properly is crucial. It's best to avoid vague names like X or Y. Instead, choose names that reflect the data they store. For example, student name or total score. This makes your code much easier to understand, not just for others, but for your future self as well. With syntax and variables, you've taken your first steps into Python coding. Dive into the world where code creates solutions. Welcome to Python's data structures and functions, a realm that makes your coding life easier and more efficient. Let's start with data structures, which are the building blocks of Python. Imagine data structures as containers, each with their own unique properties. First, we have lists, Python's most versatile data structure. Think of a list as a shopping bag where you can store, retrieve, and change items in any order. Next, we have tuples. These are like lists, but with one key difference. They're immutable, meaning you can't change them once they're created. Think of a tuple as a locked safe, perfect for storing data securely. Then, we have dictionaries, which work on a key-value pair system. Picture a dictionary as a filing cabinet where each file, value, has a unique label, key. This makes searching for specific data a breeze. Now let's move on to functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. Imagine having a personal assistant who can perform a task you assign them again and again, saving you time and effort. That's what functions do. To create a function, you use the def keyword, followed by the function name in parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you can define any parameters your function might need. Finally, you write the function's code inside a block, which is demarcated by indentation in Python. For instance, Let's say we have a function named greet. This function takes one parameter, name, and prints a greeting message. So, whenever you need to greet someone in your code, instead of writing the entire greeting message again, you simply call the greet function. Efficient, isn't it? Data structures and functions are the backbone of Python programming. They help you structure your code, make it reusable, and improve its efficiency. So as you journey further into Python, remember, with data structures and functions, you're learning to harness Python's power. Code the change you want to see, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to continue exploring the Python universe with us. Dive into the world where code creates solutions. Now that we've explored the basics of Python, let's see how it is applied in the real world. From creating web applications to analyzing data, automating tasks, or even powering machine learning, Python is everywhere. Let's start with web development. Python's simplicity and readability make it a popular choice for building web applications. Libraries like Django and Flask allow developers to create complex, database-driven websites with ease. Moving on to data analysis, Python shines bright. Libraries such as Pandas and NumPy offer powerful tools to manipulate and analyze complex datasets. From forecasting weather patterns to predicting stock market trends, data analysts around the world use Python to turn raw data into meaningful insights. Next, we have automation. Python's ability to interact with various systems and its extensive standard library make it a go-to language for task automation. From sending automated emails to scraping web pages or even controlling your smart home devices, Python has got you covered. But the real magic happens when Python is used in machine learning. Libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch have made Python the leading language in this field. From self-driving cars to voice assistants, Python is at the heart of many cutting-edge technologies. And let's not forget about cybersecurity. Python's powerful scripting capabilities make it a favorite among security professionals. From creating custom intrusion detection systems to automating vulnerability scans, Python is a key player in the world of cybersecurity. The beauty of Python lies in its versatility. Whether you're a web developer, a data analyst, a system administrator, a machine learning engineer, or a cybersecurity expert, Python has something to offer. It's like a Swiss Army knife for coders, providing the right tool for any task. Python's versatility makes it a powerful tool in any coder's arsenal. So whether you're just starting your coding journey or looking to expand your skills, Python is a language that can help you code the change you want to see. Keep coding, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more Python power. But is Python still relevant today, in 2024, you may wonder? The answer is a resounding yes. Python's relevance has grown, not diminished, over the years. It's a language that's easy to learn, yet powerful enough for experts to use for complex applications. That's a rare combination in the tech world. The Python community is vibrant and active, constantly updating and improving the language. This ensures Python stays at the forefront of coding languages, keeping up with evolving technology trends and user needs. Python's simplicity and readability make it a preferred language for beginners to get their feet wet in the coding universe. But don't mistake its simplicity for lack of power. Python is used in advanced fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analysis, to name a few. In summary, Python's power lies in its simplicity, versatility, and the active community behind it. Python's power and relevance are undeniable even in 2024. So we've taken a quick tour of the Python universe. We've seen how it's more than just a language, but a tool that can shape our world. Let's take a moment to recap the main points of our journey. First, we delved into Python's syntax and variables. We saw how its clean, simple syntax makes it an excellent choice for beginners. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python's dynamic typing and variable handling are robust and flexible, enabling it to tackle complex tasks with ease. Next, we explored Python's data structures and functions. We learned how lists, dictionaries, sets, and tuples can be manipulated to store and process data. We also discovered how Python's functions, with their ability to perform specific tasks, are the building blocks of Python programs. Then we moved on to real-world Python applications. We saw how Python is used in a myriad of fields, from web development to data science, from AI to automation. This versatility is one of the reasons why Python is loved by many and widely used in various industries. Finally, we discussed why Python is still relevant in 2024. Despite it being around for over 3 decades, Python continues to be a go-to language for many programmers. Its continuous development, strong community, and wide range of libraries and frameworks ensure its relevance in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Remember, Python is not just a language, it's a tool for change. It's a tool to solve problems, to innovate, to create. And the best part? Anyone can learn it, anyone can use it. So why not you? Why not now? With Python, you can code the change you want to see. You can unlock your coding potential. We hope this journey through the Python universe has been enlightening. If you enjoyed it and want to continue exploring, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Python power. Until next time, keep coding, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep creating.